Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer,
and today we're doing our moisturize and seal routine, so stay tuned. So things that you need for this moisturize and seal routine is you need a spray bottle. This really is good to get the product directly onto your hair, and we are using aloe vera juice which we've poured into our spray bottles. We're also going to use a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Then when we seal our hair, we're going to be sealing our hair with Chebe oil. I don't know if you guys watched our video on making this Chebe oil. It's so good. We'll link it down in the description below. So let's get right into it. We're going to be sectioning our hair into 4, and this is because our hair is quite thick and we want to be able to moisturize our hair properly in each section. We also use a water-based moisturizer because we are low porosity. This works perfectly for us. In our previous video that we did about 8 months ago, we actually used rose water, which really works for us, but now we're using aloe vera juice.
You are high porosity. You could use like something that is more creamy and heavy and buttery for your hair.
I think previously we used to use the ELASTA QP mango butter, which is really good. Lots of people recommend it here on YouTube, so you can use that as well.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon.
Because we moisturize and seal our hair daily, and we section it in 4. Whenever we try to do it once a week, we do like a heavy moisturize and seal. We tend to section it maybe in little bits of like 10 to 12, but for now we're doing 4 sections because this is a daily thing we do. We don't need to be too intense.
Yes, and like we always say, we just believe you should moisturize and seal your hair daily. If you can't get around to doing that, we'll suggest you do it every other day.
Yes.
I say, we gon' make it be, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moon with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for.
Now that we thoroughly moisturized this bit, we're just going to go in with a white tooth comb just to comb out any knots or tangles.
And that's another tip, guys. Don't put a comb through your hair until you've actually put a detangler or moisturizer.
Yeah.
It's really bad to comb dry hair and it can lead to breakage.
Yes.
I got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still.
So now next we're going to be using our Chebe oil. Please watch the video on this oil. It's amazing for your tips of your hair.
So many benefits.
It really stops breakage. This allows your hair to stop breaking when it gets to a certain length.
Yes. So we're going to be using this to seal our hair. I just use about 1 or 2 pumps. This just gets around my hair. Then I run it all the way down to the ends, especially because Chebe is really good for your ends. It really stops breakage. So we just rub it in.
Make sure you coat the tips of your hair especially. This is the part that suffers the most through friction whenever you leave your hair down. So the tips of your hair need the most love.
And twist it. So once we're done with this section, we're just going to twist it off and put it away.
Burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses.
So now that we're done with this section, we're going to repeat what we've done in every single section.
Yeah.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Okay, so guys, we are finally done with our moisturize and seal routine. My hair is so moisturized. It's so soft.
So we would recommend that you do this every day or at least every other day. It's so important. Even if your hair doesn't look dry, it actually is dry.
Yeah.
Just put some moisture into it. This stops your hair from breaking and getting damaged or cutting.
Yeah, and also I'll say it's not everyone that likes to use a water-based moisturizer. If you know this doesn't work for you, you can actually find out if you are low porosity or if you are high porosity and find out what works for your hair.
Yeah. In addition to you keeping your hair moisturized throughout the week, try and make sure that you are deep conditioning. Try and make sure that you are using a sulfate-free shampoo that doesn't strip out all the oils from your hair.
Yeah.
Use a satin bonnet. This protects the moisture and keeps it in your hair. And also try and do things like pre-poo before you use a shampoo. This just keeps all the moisture in your hair, and when your hair is moisturized, it doesn't suffer as much from damage. It doesn't strip off all the oils and break.
So guys, we actually have a wash day coming up, and we're thinking of filming our wash day from start to finish. So if you are actually interested in watching this, we're trying to get 300 likes
On this video.
If we get 300 likes, guys, we're going to film this video and upload it very soon. So you guys should give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Let us know down in the comment section if you actually want to see our wash day routine, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.